And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now let's look at the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with first 3 steps of natural turn. We continue with open impetus, notice man's heel turn, we finish in promenade position, and from here we dance wing, man has 1 step, lady 3 steps. Now we continue with double reverse spin, timing 1, 2, 3, and then we dance reverse turn first 3 steps, and we continue with weave in waltz time, 2 bars. We finish in promenade position, and from here we continue with chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and we start diagonally to wall with natural turn. We continue around the corner with open impetus. We finish in promenade position, ready to move diagonally to center with wing. We continue with double reverse spin diagonally to center. Now we move down line of dance with reverse turn. Backing diagonally to wall, we start weave in waltz time, we move diagonally to center, and we finish in promenade position. From here we move diagonally to wall with chasse from promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.